Man, what the heck is this? Ow! Okay, alright, time to say goodbye to the future children. Boom, 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 dun, dun, dun. You're gonna die. Boom, 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 boom. I came in like a wrecking ball. Holy moly, guacamole! Where did all these lines come from? Wow! I'm gonna watch out! Oh, mommy, my back hurts! They see me rolling. Hey, hey, oh, I think I just broke my spot. Okay, the car stop rolling. Oh my god, so nauseous. The car can stop rolling, but you will die. Wow. Bro, can you go any faster? Car's literally right there. Oh my god, this hurts so much. Oh my god, Mom. Damn, I just please stay. You're about to die. Why these stupid brakes? Holy hell, what is happening out here, bro? Oh shoot, I can't escape. We gotta go to Classic World. Oh my god, my head hurts. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Oh my god, I can't go anywhere. Oh my god, it burns in his car. Please let me out, his family.